जेब में क्या है?
पता नहीं भैया जी,
दिखाइए।
ये छोटी सी पेंसिल है।
ठीक है।
नानी आज बैंगन की सब्जी बनाइए ना।
ठीक है, कल बनाएंगे।
अरे मनीष भाई,
जी
आप अपनी वेबसाइट दिखाइए।
मेरी वेबसाइट ये देखिए।
हाँ, काफ़ी अच्छी है।
जी थैंक यू।
Hello guys, namaste. Feel the heart. How are you guys all doing? Are you happy? Are you learning? Are you excited? Are you motivated? So, today in Hindi lesson, I will be talking about the verbs. Yes, you might be very excited, right? Let me introduce you the verbs, okay? So, I'll just give you a very simple way to understand, very simple things. I'm not going to explain everything about the verb, just very little things that you need to just start crawling with the verbs, right? So, let's start crawling with the verbs. One thing you have to remember that whenever we are learning verbs in Hindi, we need a system, right? We need a system so that we can generalize and can have everything in an order, right? To have everything in order, we try to learn everything in a to infinitive form, okay? So for example, to eat, to drink, to speak, to learn, in that form we learn. And what happens then, let's take an example. The verb to do, we call karna. What do we call? Karna. To drink, we say pina. To eat, we call khana. So in all the verb, if you see karna, pina, khana, what is common there? Na, right? Na. So that na, whenever you put in any root verb, then that makes to infinitive. So if you break karna, kar plus na, kha plus na, pi plus na, right? So this pi, kha, kar, these are root forms of the verb, okay? And this happens with all the Hindi verbs, okay? There is a root forms of the verb, and then when you add na, then they become to infinitive verb, okay? So that's all I want you to know at the moment, that the verbs that you will be using, they have a root forms. And whenever any changes you want to have, then that happens in the root verb. Root never changes. You remember that. In Hindi, root will never ever changes, no matter what the subject is, what the tense is, what is the number, I mean it's singular, plural, doesn't matter. Respectful, disrespectful, doesn't matter. Root will always remain same. And anything that will change, the tense is changing, the noun is changing, the gender is, or anything that changes, that happens by suffixing. You have to add something. So it's a root verb, and then you add something in the root verb, and whatever you add will decide whether it is present tense, past tense, imperative, or anything, So anything that you will get the information is because of the addition, something that we add as a suffix in the root verb. So root verb plus something will tell a lot of information. So for example, today, okay, just for example, today I want to give you an example. I want to teach you how to give actually imperative sentences, how to make imperative sentences, how to give command to someone, how to suggest someone, how to give an order someone, these kinds of things. Let's just start with it. So just to start, I think this is best that we start with the formal version of it. So formal version, that means honorific version. So whenever you give suggestion or command or order to you, you give to next person to you, right? Who is next person to you? You yourself is the first pronoun, I or we, and to whomever you say, hey Anil, go. So Anil is right in front of you. Anil, eat. So I'm giving direction to Anil. Anil is right in front of me, right? So for me, that time it will be you. Hey, you, do this, do that, eat this, eat that, in that sense. You already know we have three, aap, tum and tu. Let's remove this two for a while. Just focus on aap. So aap, see the structure is like this. Aap, and then if you have to say some object, give object there, and then you use root verb, and in the root verb add ea, I-Y-E, ea. Okay, ea. In Hindi, in Devanagari, it is best to learn ea. Alright, so root verb plus ea. Aap, am, kha, ea. Aap, am, kha, ea. One thing I want you to know, that saying up is not mandatory. One can omit it. One can just remove it. One can just remove it, okay? आम खाइए, mango खाइए. So you just added ea. So what information I get first? Ea. Ea always comes with up, if you remember. So even whether you write up or not, I will automatically understand that you are talking in honorific level, in formal version. So आम खाइए. If you had written something, I'll get another signal. Alright. So writing of ea automatically tells me that you are speaking in a formal version. So आम खाइए. You can write the up, you may not write up. It all up to you. Okay. So आप आम खाइए. Hey, आप आम खाइए. Like that. Now पिताजी जल्दी घर आइए. So father, jaldi means quickly, quickly. Ghar is home. A means to come. A and ie. So see, pitaji ie. Pitaji, you have to be formal, respectful, honorific. Pitaji, aap ghar aiye. I have used here pitaji because I am very specific. Father, please, on the phone probably I am. Father, please, I am the child, little child. Pitaji jaldi ghar aiye. Pitaji jaldi ghar aiye. Alright? आप हिंदी भाषा सीखिए. आप हिंदी भाषा सीखिए. आप हिंदी भाषा सीखिए. Seek is the root verb of learn and ie is a formal way to give an suggestion. I'm suggesting actually to my friend, आप हिंदी भाषा सीखिए. ये बहुत अच्छी भाषा है, बहुत सुंदर भाषा है. आप हिंदी भाषा सीखिए. Now let's take a look over some real life examples.
जेब में क्या है?
पता नहीं भैया जी.
दिखाइए.
ये छोटी सी पेंसिल है.
ठीक है.
नानी आज बैंगन की सब्जी बनाइए ना.
ठीक है, कल बनाएंगे.
अरे मनीष भाई,
जी,
आप अपनी वेबसाइट दिखाइए.
मेरी वेबसाइट ये देखिए.
हाँ, काफ़ी अच्छी है.
जी, थैंक यू.
Now you see how in the root verb we add something and we give changes to the sentence. We beautify actually. We just create something from there. So everything happens is in the base, and the base is root verb. Root verb is the main thing in Hindi language. All right. In any Hindi sentence, root verb is the foundation. It's the foundation of a house like that. Root verb never changes, and anything you have to do certain changes is on the root verb. Right. So remember that always, and verb always comes at the end. In all these tenses, if you see all the sentences that we did, खाइए, सुनिए, लिखिए, पढ़िए, all the things that you will be doing in future, any imperative, suggestion, command, order you will be giving everywhere, everything is happening, but at the end there is a verb. Don't forget that. That's our main rule. Verb is at the end. Okay.